What is a kill zone? A kill zone is the optimal time to open a position during a day-to-day trade. To open a position during the day, that is during a day-to-day scalper trade, but outside the kill zone is prohibited. Why is it prohibited? That is, it doesn't mean that you will not catch or get profit when opening a position. When you are called not to do something, does not mean that this will not happen. There is just a probability, a high probability of processing and a low probability of processing. And trading outside the kill zone during an intraday approach, that is during a day-to-day trade, is a trade with a low probability, while trading in the kill zone is a trade with a high probability. The right way to a successful trading system lies through the correct understanding of price and time at the moment, that is price patterns and time patterns, and important conditions, and accordingly through the prism of their correct understanding and synchronization with each other. That is, price and time is the most important thing that we must understand and see. The time intervals of the kill zone differ from each other depending on the market on which you plan to trade. We have 3 kill zones on Forex. This is the London Open Kill Zone at the opening of London. This is the New York Kill Zone at the opening of New York, and the London Close Kill Zone at the closing of the London session. The London Open Kill Zone lasts 4 hours. It starts 2 hours before the opening of London and lasts 2 hours after the opening. The time in New York is from 1 a.m. to 5 a.m. In the summer, in Moscow, is from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m., in winter from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. The peculiarity is that manipulation is formed in this session, and often a true movement is born. This is a feature of the London Kill Zone. It is better to open a position after the opening of the session or after the logical completion of the manipulation of the Judas swing with the market reversal. That is, my personal recommendation is that it doesn't mean that you can open trades at 8 a.m. Sit down at the computer, analyze the schedule from 8 a.m., but try to open positions already at the opening of some sessions. At 9 a.m., it turns out, we will open a Frankfurt session, and at 10 a.m., we will open a London session. The New York Kill Zone lasts 3 hours. It starts an hour before the opening of New York and lasts 2 hours after the opening. The time in New York is from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. 10 days. In total, the time period is 3 hours. In the summer, in Moscow, is from 14 a.m. to 7 p.m., in winter from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. The peculiarity of this trading session is aggressiveness and volatility. Usually, the main movement in major pairs, such as Euro-USD or GBP-USD, takes place in this kill zone. Aggressiveness is also related, and volatility is related to the fact that this is a period of time in which we have collision, let's say, of several sessions at the same time. That is, a period of time in which the London session and the New York session are active, and at the same time, very important news comes out, including European and American. Immediately after the New York Kill Zone is the London Close Kill Zone. Respectively, the trading time during the day is most of all the New York session. That is, at the end, let's say at 10 a.m., at the end of the New York Kill Zone, at 10 a.m. in New York, we start the London Kill Zone, and it lasts for 2 hours. It starts 2 hours before the London session closes, that is from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. in New York. In the summer, in Moscow, is from 17 p.m. to 19 p.m., in winter from 8 p.m. to 20 p.m. The peculiarity is that the London Close Kill Zone is at this time either a minimum, maximum of the day, or there will be a reversal of the movement if this corresponds to the context and nature of the movement on that day. It is quite possible in the London Kill Zone to get a reverse movement from the movement that we saw during the day. Cryptocurrency Kill Zones. The cryptocurrency market, in my opinion, also has an optimal time interval for trading. Basically, high volumes as well as major movements take place in New York and Asian sessions. When trading cryptocurrencies, I would focus only on the New York Kill Zone and the Asian session. But this is just a theory and my observation. I traded cryptocurrencies in New York and Asia, and it was much better than trading in London. The probability of creating some setups and their processing is much better than in London session. But I also have another theory that cryptocurrency kill zones, they are also connected. They are exactly the same as the kill zones of indexes. And now we will talk
About them. Kill zones of the indexes. We have two, let's say, sessions intervals and kill zones, respectively, indexes. This is an AM session and morning session and a PM session. This is an afternoon or evening session. According to New York time, the AM session starts from 8:30 to 12 New York time, or according to Moscow time, 15:30 to 1800. PM session from 1300 to 1600 New York time, or 1900 to 1000 Moscow time. And we also have some lunch breaks. Lunchtime in New York is from 12 to 1300 New York time. The entire trading session of the indexes lasts from 9:30 to 1600. This period of time is a real trading day. The largest volume for a trading session is between 9:30 and 10:30 a.m. The opening trading range is from 9:30 to 10:30 a.m. The opening range, as a rule, creates false market maximums and minimums of the day. It can also be liquidity capture, or FVG filling, in other words, the formation of judo swing. But this judo swing can also be formed after lunch, at the beginning of the PM kill zone, PM session. That is, we form another local judo swing. This concludes our free course. I sincerely hope that you have received the maximum knowledge and experience from our free course on trading. I am sure that you are now ready to start your journey in the world of financial markets, trading, and achieve your goals.